Hello, my name is Tibusiso. Welcome to this demo video. Today I will be walking you through our Bee Recorder, which is an Excel tool for broiler farmers looking to capture production and financial records using their phone. We will be looking at all the sheets in the tool and explaining the main purpose of each. Let us begin. The first sheet we will be looking at is the Hello Farmer worksheet. It contains a brief summary about what the tool does, what each cell color means, and our customer support information. The next sheet is the Directory worksheet, which is the most important sheet in the whole tool because it allows the farmer to navigate the whole tool from one centralized location. Customize the tool by stating your business name, chick arrival date, number of production days. In short, how long will your birds stay in the poultry house before they are ready for the market and the selling price? For the Broiler Production Guide Customization section of the worksheet, note that the tool has a default guide for birds being raised for 42 days. But if you wish to customize it, specifically for your birds, feel free to reach out and we will do it for you for free. To record production or financial data, first stipulate if it's a production or a financial entry and click on the hyperlinks that best defines your entry. Next is the Broiler Production Guide worksheet. This sheet provides a day-to-day management practices guide from 2 weeks before birds arrive until they are all ready for the market. Note that this is the default guide that was mentioned before in the video. The next sheet is the Daily Journal, where a farmer records all the production-related records from the average daily temperature, tasks and observations, daily deaths and culls, actual weight, feed finished, and finally, comments and notes. Note the color of the cells so you know where to and not to record. The following sheets are for the financial records of your broiler business. This includes transactions, income, expenditure, stock availability, customer management, sales, drawings, and financial summaries. When recording financial data, it is imperative that a farmer uses the Directory worksheet because the way the hyperlinks are set up mimics the steps a farmer must take to fully record that transaction. Let's quickly discuss each sheet. First, the Transactions worksheet. It captures the whole transaction and that's it. Next, the Income worksheet records all the monies received by the broiler farmer for broiler-related activities. This includes capital invested, sales and other incomes. This is followed by the Expenditure worksheet, where all the monies spent by the broiler farmer, specifically for the business, are recorded. This includes monies spent on stock, expenses, etc. Next is the Stock Management worksheet. This is where a farmer keeps track of all available stock within the business, from birds available for sale to supplies stock. Those are the feeds, medication stock. Note, whenever an input is bought, record the units bought, and when it is used, also record the units used in order to keep track of how many units does the business actually has left. This is followed by the Customer Management worksheet. This sheet keeps track of all the best customers of your business, which reduces the hustle of looking for new customers with every new batch. Next is the Cash Sales sheet, where all birds sold in cash are recorded. Note, only record the units sold, never the amount. Next is the Credit Sales sheet. It captures all the broilers sold on credit, payment of debts, and also a debtor lists, which is the list of people owing the business. Note, when recording a credit sale, state the units, but when the customer pays, record the amount paid. Next, the Drawings worksheet. It captures all the monies taken by the owner for personal use. This includes birds taken to feed the family. Lastly, the Summary worksheet. It generates summaries from the information entered into the tool. Whenever a new entry is made, it automatically updated, right there and then, allowing the farmer to have an up-to-date overview of the business. These last two worksheets are our gift to the broiler farmer to get them started. They contain useful information pertaining health and markets. The first one is the Health Management sheet, which focuses on educating farmers on biosecurity by highlighting common health issues and their mitigations. tips on keeping birds healthy and common mispractices to avoid. The last one is the market segments sheet, which highlights some common market segments available for broilers in Eswatini. This is the last worksheet of the whole tool. The tool was not built just to replace the notebook, but rather to keep the broiler farmer on top of his game. The best part about this tool is that you can use it on your phone without any internet connection. All you need to do is download WPS, Excel, or any other apps that open an Excel document and allow for editing. This marks the end of our video. Thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Do not be busy, be in business. See you next time.